Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here, and welcome inside my Homezon review. Now, throughout this review, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what Homezon is all about and why this is something really exciting. Now, this is something brand new. This is something that hasn't just been seen 100 times before, and for that reason, I wanted to jump on and make this really quick demo video to show you guys why I'm super excited about this. Now, in a nutshell, Homezon is basically going to there's two ways that you can use this, either yourself or you can look at it from an agency point of view where you can use this for other businesses and to help them. Now, this is all about getting onto Amazon's home services, and it is something that is growing rapidly. We've got two countries that this is happening in really quickly right now. There's the USA market and the UK, the United Kingdom market, which is also rapidly growing. Now, throughout this review, I want to show you very quickly what's inside the membership area. We're going to be talking about exactly what you're going to be getting here, and then I'm going to hand over to the product vendor to give us a really quick demo of their software and show you how that works as well for you to be able to get on to Amazon. So imagine you can have Amazon, one of the biggest names out there, in your corner and recommending you. Now, that's a pretty cool thing, and this is exactly what we're going to discover here inside this Homezon review. Now, also make sure you stay tuned because we do have some bonuses for you which are going to be really cool. And of course, guys, as always, at any point during this video, if you've had enough of me talking, drop down there below. You'll see a link down there in the description. You can click on that link and you can go through and get more information about the product, the bonuses, and secure your copy at this limited launch pricing. Okay, that being said, let's dive straight into what you're going to be getting inside the membership area. So the first thing that you're going to want to do here is click on into the training center. So I've actually got it open here, and this is going to give you all of the training information that you need. Now, the first things that you're going to go through is going to be looking at why you need to be on Amazon, and an overview of what they're all about. So if you didn't know that Amazon have this home service, you're going to be able to discover more about it here. And as I say, two markets right now that this is working for really well is the United States and the United Kingdom, okay? Because what they're doing is they're promoting these businesses to their Prime members, okay? So this is really, really cool. How to go about approving, how to registering the business to get booked, how to go through all of the seller dashboard, how to set up the app, how to actually make sales, how to get reviews in, knowledge bases, all of this stuff. So all of the training here that you're going to need to be able to do this. Now, there's two ways that you're going to be able to do this to make money. The first way is if you have a electrician's business, a plumber's business, anything like that, then you are going to be able to profit, obviously, by getting yourself on that network, okay? So if you're struggling to find clients and you're in that business, then this is a perfect product for you that's going to get you into the Amazon network. The second really cool way, and the way that I think most of us as entrepreneurs and marketers are going to be able to profit with this, is you can have other businesses come to you to get them approved for Amazon services. Now, it's not as easy as just simply applying something on Amazon that anyone can do. That is a process that's got to be gone through. And that's exactly what you're going to learn inside of this training course. And what you're going to be able to do is go to local businesses. So you can go to a local electrician's, a local plumber, where all of these people, and say, listen, I can get you guys approved to work with Amazon, and open that door for them. And that's what's going to make this product really, really cool. This is a massive, massive opportunity which is growing. And how much is one of those people going to pay? I think you could easily get $1,000 for this, to say, look, it's $1,000 and we'll get you approved for Amazon. Okay, you can even do a no questions asked refund if they don't go. So approved or your money back type of deal as well, and once you guys have been through this, the system, then you're going to be able to do the paperwork to make that happen for them. So this is a great way, guys. You're going to be able to pick up lots of local clients, and they actually taught you through ways to even do it even differently and actually have people paying you month after month for various different services as well. So lots of great stuff included here inside of this particular training dashboard. Okay, now you'll see there's a number of different programs here which are available. Hang on, sorry, let me just go back to the dashboard. training center. Maybe it's in this one. Here we go. So you got the Homezon, the Mastermind Live if you choose to pick that up, the Trafzon, and the U-Star. Obviously, this is the if you just decide to pick those products up as well. So these are the different upgrades that are going to be there, and the Homezon one is what we're looking at right here. Okay, which is basically going to show you all of this information. There's so much stuff, guys. Everything that you're going to need to take you by the hand and to do this, to set this up step by step. And that's one of the things that I love about this Homezon training, is that it's actually being taught by a guy who is making a fortune doing this. Okay, he's opening up his training doors to you. So what you need to do, guys, is drop down below this YouTube video. When you go down below there, you will see this page here. This is my Homezon review, and you can watch this review again here if you want to. Scroll on down here and you will get down to the bonuses. Now, bonus number 1 is the upsell selling formula. Now, this is going to basically enable you to basically convert these people into $5,000 per month clients. Okay, imagine that you've got 10 clients, each paying $5,000 per month. That's $50,000 a month in recurring revenue. Okay, it's monthly recurring revenue, MRR as we call it, paying you month after month after month. All right, so you'll learn exactly what you need to do, how it works, how to get in with Amazon, and everything that you need to do to basically get those high-paying clients. Okay, you're going to learn all of that in bonus 1. In bonus 2, you're going to get access to a mini CRM, exit pops, expert positioning tools, techniques, and learn exactly how to position yourself as this new agency website to go after these particular businesses, okay, and how they're going to come to you. So you're going to learn all that about positioning, about how to get your offer in there, about how to actually reach these brands with all of this new training that you've got. And in bonus number 3, you then get the final step, which is obviously how to actually convert them. So we're talking about things like copy and paste, done for you, LinkedIn messages, emails, okay, banners, swipes, ads, all of that sort of stuff, as well as Tommy's tool that's going to help you guys out here as well. So you're getting access to the training, you're getting access to all of these bonuses. We're going to give you access to all of these. So how to actually sell to high-ticket clients, how to position yourself, a mini CRM that you're going to be able to use so you can keep track on contacting people and bring those leads into the business. And then we're going to show you basically how to convert them and give you all of the bonuses you need to convert those clients. So you literally, guys, you're getting, this is a business in a box, okay? This is a business in a box opportunity. You're going to get 2 options on the front end. You've got the training only or the training with the tool. I 100 recommend the software tool, and I'm going to hand you over in just a minute to Tommy now, who's going to show you and talk to you about his software tool and why you want to add that onto your purchase as well. So make sure you do pick up Homezon. Make sure you pick it up through the link down below this YouTube video. You're going to get all of those bonuses there and pick up Tommy's tool. If you've got any questions, drop it down below. This one's pretty self-explanatory. It is simply going to show you how to get onto Amazon's home services system step by step. And Tommy now is going to tell you about his software. So let's hand over to Tommy. Check this out.
And basically, here's what I'm going to do. We're going to create a funnel. So if you click on the Create a Funnel button, it's actually going to open up a funnel, and you can create a funnel inside of this system. So I'm going to click on Edit, and I'm going to open up a funnel. So this is a 2-step marketing process. It's a video and then a chat marketing process. So here's how this works. We have activated scripts for you guys in multiple industries that have been proven to work. So things like lawyers, accident attorneys, divorce lawyers, chiropractors, I mean, you name it, okay? And basically, you can create your very own script, and it's an automated live assistant website system. So I can go here and I can click on the script and I can say, all right, welcome to, and then the name of this is, the name of that company is Cordell. Okay, welcome to Cordell, home of the, and then, you know, home of the best attorneys in, you know, best attorney in Miami. Okay. And then you can say, please take a couple of minutes and answer a few questions. So I'm not going to go through the whole thing here, but everything here is editable. And also, you can request information to build up a lead. So like telephone number, name, you can ask for address, you can ask for email address, everything. This system can automate all of that. Here's the second thing that really is shocking about this is it's got a video intro, okay? So I'm gonna go back here, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to open up the video intro section. So this is very cool. So we've got a video bank, and in there it's got tons of videos for multiple markets, but I'm using the one for law here. And I'm not going to show you, but this is where you can use either your own video, so you can create your very own video for any website that you might be working with. So if you've got even like a t-shirt company, you can use it on your own t-shirt company website. If you've got an e-commerce site, if you've got a real estate site, any kind of website, you can use this technology and add a personal video. So you can also integrate this with any autoresponder. So as soon as a lead comes in, it can go into autoresponder and send out an email. And the cool thing about this is that you can also make your chat agent system look and feel just like the website. So if I go back to this website, I see they've got a bit of a green going on here. So I can actually click on this and then go towards more of a lime green, okay? And then hit save and continue to widget settings. So that's basically how this one little system works. Now, who's willing to, who really wants to see this on steroids? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to copy this website, because let's say that's a website I want to go to and just absolutely make a client overnight. I'm going to go to our prospector tool, okay? And I'm going to open up this one here called Roger Attorney, and I'm going to paste their website right in here. Paste their website right in this page, and I'm going to hit Save Settings. Here's where the magic really starts to happen, and I want you guys to take very close attention to this. I'm going to paste this special link, and as you can see, their website comes up in the background and it says, hey, check out the effective video marketing funnel that we have for you. And it says here, let's talk and watch.
Have you been hurt by someone? Been in an accident? Have you been hit by a drunk driver? If you need an accident attorney that cares, you've come to the right place. We want to help you and offer you the guidance you need in order to win the largest settlement you can. We understand that you're looking for answers right now, and we're here to help. Our attorneys are standing by and willing to answer your questions. In just a few seconds, our live website assistant will be here and will be ready to assist you. Just enter your question or leave a message, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Enter your information now for a no-risk, no-obligation free consultation. We'll tell you right away if you have a case or not. Enter your information right now.
Okay, so that's the emotion, right? Someone who's just been in an accident, they're feeling down. It's like they're feeling the pain. They see these images in the back, and boom, Joanne comes up and says, hey, do you need help, right? And Joanne starts to type. Joanne isn't a real person, right? It's just a script that we have in the back, right? So here, and I forgot to save, that's why you see company name, but it says welcome to, and then it could be the business name, home of the top attorney name, blah, blah, blah. Please take a couple of minutes and answer a few questions. May I have your name, please? So I would type in Roger D, and then that goes into the database as a lead. Roger D goes in there, and it says, can I help, right? You say, yeah, okay, she wants to help, okay? So it'll be a pleasure to assist you. What's the best email address to reach you at? So let's say I do roger@rs.com. And you can extrapolate any information you want from this. You can ask what kind of accident they've been through, what kind of help that they need, here. So you can, are you looking for legal help on corporate law, litigation, or real estate? Let's say I was looking for real estate help here. I would really be looking for, I could program this for, accident attorney and stuff like that. I'm just giving you an example. And then now that I've typed, she says, okay, I can help. And again, all this script is up to you what you want it to say. Okay, so as you may know, our company is one of the leading practices in state or city. The best way for us to assist you is to have a very short conversation with you. What's the best number to reach you at? Again, all programmable, okay? You give your phone number, and you can ask anything. Are you looking to speak to someone now or in 90 days? Okay, and once this happens, this generates a lead and sends the lead directly to the lawyer, the real estate agent, the car dealer, anyone. So imagine this being on a real estate website. Hey, are you looking to buy or sell a house? Buy a house. Okay, if they say buy a house, then perfect. What kind of house are you looking to buy? A home, a condo, an investment. And then let's say they write investment. You can take the conversation in how many directions you want. And once it's done, you've got their name, their telephone number, you've got their contact information, what kind of deals they're looking for. This is how you generate a ton of leads for businesses. Have you ever seen anything like this? Write down on the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being this is absolutely insane, and 1 being this is just whatever. This is one of the most powerful ways to get that lead, right? The emotional, video, it just works. The video and then it leads into chat. It's just so powerful for any website, Barry, and this is how it works.
And of course, this is what can be used for home service industries as well. So this is an incredible tool that we're using right now to attract home service businesses. Don't forget, Amazon has got 1,200 industries that we can be reaching out to. So even though Tommy's entire strategy doesn't require us to use this software, 2 things. Number 1, we can use this software to go after companies that aren't responding to us. And number 2, even those who do respond to us are going to jump on our opportunity. We can upsell them on this as well and grab a piece of every lead that we generate. This is an upsell opportunity as well. I hope you are seeing the incredible power and benefits of this.